5-step neck warm-up routine. Okay, this is an amazing routine if you're going to go out for some exercise or if you're waking up in the morning with a stiff neck. This is going to make sure that we're keeping the muscles in place and ensuring that you're not causing yourself any further damage or a lock neck or any spasm down through there. So my name is Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey. And we get so many clients coming in saying, I woke up with a stiff neck and gradually over the day it just got worse and worse and worse until I couldn't turn my neck anymore and it was causing problems in my shoulder and then also going down through my arm. So this lovely routine is going to be there for you to stop that developing and ensuring that if you do suffer with a mild crick or a mild pain in your neck, you can do these 5 simple steps in order to take that pressure off your neck. So let's get you started with these. So very, very simply, step number 1 is going to be rotations of the neck. So very, very slowly looking over the shoulder like this and holding for 3 seconds and then going like this for 3 seconds. Now, if you've got a crick in the neck, you may find that you can't get too far. So just go into where you feel the pressure and then come back. Don't go too far into the pain and then coming back here. So that's step 1, is simple rotations from side to side. Don't be bending your neck like this or moving your neck like this. It's very, very slow rotations. That's designed to get the ligaments moving, the joints moving around the vertebra and to help everything feel much easier when you're going through. Step number 2 is going to be side tilts. So these are slightly harder. So you're just bringing your ear to your shoulder. Definitely harder if you've got a crick in the neck. Hold for 3 seconds and then coming back like this. And I would do these 10 on each side. So it shouldn't take much longer than a couple of minutes. It's a very simple 5-step routine. It's going to help to stretch the muscle here. It's called the upper trap muscle. So if you've ever got stiffness through your upper traps or after a long week, that's going to really cause problems. Okay, 10 each side. Number 3, it's going to be shoulder rotations like this. So moving the shoulders back. Okay, you're not moving your neck here, but it's going to help all the muscles that go around the shoulder. So just moving back like this and then going forwards like this. So forward 10 times and then back 10 times. So why is this important for the neck? Well, the shoulders and the neck really integrate well and they're going to sit on top of there. So you need to make sure we're getting this shoulder muscles moving well, getting the shoulder blades moving well, activating your thoracic spine, opening up the chest. It's going to help all those muscles stay nice and mobile. Okay, and also with this one, you may want to do it standing as well. So standing adds that element of holding the core in place. When you're sitting, you're not going to activate the core. So definitely a good one to do if you're standing up. Just rolling the shoulders back. Remember, 10 repetitions. You can do it seated and standing if you want. Sometimes better to have your arms heavy and then go forwards as well. And then from the side, so like this. Make sure your head is not tipping down like this, okay? That's going to stretch the neck. You need to make sure the head is neutral, chin tucked in like this, okay? Just nice and relaxed. And then forwards. Okay, so that is step 3, shoulder rotations. Remember, 10 of those forwards, 10 of those backwards. Step 4 is going to be banded push. So we're going to go on the banded push now. This is going to help get some rotation through the neck, help soften up those fibers. So you need to get a band like this. TheraBand, something that's going to be stretchy. The lighter the color, generally the easier it's going to be. So the neck is movable, so you don't want anything too strong. You don't want to have a dark one like a black one or a gray one. Start light like this, okay? So really, really simply, all we're going to do is put a bit of stretch on it, and you're going to put your forehead on like this, and then just push forwards, and then come back. Pushing forwards, and then come back. Like that. It's going to help strengthen the muscles. I'm also doing it on the back as well. So like this. Like this. Hold, and then come back. And from the side, I don't know if you can see this from the side too well, but back. You might want to give it a bit of a pull as well. It's going to help. Forwards. Like that. Okay, 10 repetitions. 10 repetitions forwards, 10 repetitions backwards. When you're going forwards, take care. Okay, you are going to activate some deep neck flexors. You don't want to do that too hard, so just take it nice and easy. That's number 4. Now, last one, number 5. Again, we're going to do a resistance bit of work here, but it's going to be into side rotation. So get your own hand, got my hand on the side of my head here. I'm just pushing into my hand. So I'm activating the left-hand side of the muscles here. I'm trying to push to the side, hold for 3 seconds, and then I'm going to push to the other side. So push like this. Again, it's going to just contract the fibers. Okay, if you have got a crick in the neck that's quite bad, you might want to not do this one because it might flare it up. So just take it nice and easy. Do it gently at the start. If you're finding it's causing more pain, then just stop. Stick with the first 4 steps. So here, 3 seconds. Here, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And then like this. Okay, 10 on each side. Okay, so this routine shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes. Okay, maybe 6. Okay, so there you have it. Really simple 5 steps to get yourself warmed up before exercise or warmed up in the morning to prevent any further neck issues giving you trouble in the rest of the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. There's 2 updates every week to this channel with videos for tips and tricks on how to live a healthy, active, mobile, full and long life. Please share this with any of your friends that are suffering with neck issues. And of course, you can grab copies of my best-selling books here. So Secret Cure to Back Pain, How to Avoid a Lifetime of Painkillers and Surgery, and How to Transform Your Back. Loads of work in here about neck issues as well. You can grab these in the show notes below. See you soon.